Hi, and welcome to RBIG's Digital Life Skills. I'm Brandy Lubitz, and today I'm going to help you dive into one of digital life's fundamental skills, video calling. Today, we'll be reviewing why video call, what you'll need to get started, choosing your app, getting the app ready, making and receiving your first call, basic controls, some quick tips and troubleshooting, and keeping it safe and private. Let's get started. Why video call? You get to see their face and they get to see yours. And that's always much better than just talking on the phone. Real-time conversations that feel like you're in the same room. Connecting with family, grandchildren, children, siblings, no matter where they live. Video calling helps bridge those gaps that distance can sometimes create. And it's easy and fun. Once you learn a few steps, it's simple. What you'll need to get started: a smartphone or tablet. You'll likely already have one, and if someone only has a computer, they can also use that. But phones and tablets are the most common and easiest option because they have a built-in camera and mic. You'll also need an internet connection, Wi-Fi at home or data on your phone. Wi-Fi is usually better and typically unlimited if you're at home. Data on your phone is usually for when you're out and about, and it uses up your phone's plan's allowance. So even though a simple video call doesn't use a lot of data, you'll want to be aware of that. And a video calling app. These are free programs you download or the one built into your phone or tablet. This is what's going to connect you with that other person or group. Choosing your chat app. Most people already have one. Often you'll use the same one your family uses. But some other popular video calling apps are WhatsApp. This one is known for being very popular globally, easy for group calls, and works on Apple and Android phones. FaceTime. This one comes pre-installed on iPhones or iPads. It's very simple to use if you have an Apple device and your family or that other person does as well. And Google Meet or Google Duo. This app works on Apple and Android devices. It's easy to join calls with a simple link. And this one is also great for group calls. Getting your app ready and first time setup. First, find your app store, like your library for your apps. Then search for the app by typing the name of the video calling app you'd like to use, like WhatsApp. Tap Get or Install. It's usually free. Open the app and follow the prompts that you see. You'll agree to any terms or conditions. It might ask you to enter your phone number and then allow access. This is the most crucial step. The app needs permission to use the camera and the microphone. Otherwise, it can't see or hear you. So make sure you select to allow access. Adding family and friends. The app uses your phone's contacts, so if their number is in your phone, they should appear in the app automatically. Otherwise, you can easily find people in the app. Look for a contact or people tab. And when in doubt, ask your family for help. Making your first video call. To make your first video call, open the app by tapping the app icon on your screen. Find the person you want to call by typing in their name in your contact list. Most apps also have a search bar at the top. If you have a lot of contacts, you don't need to scroll. You can just type in the first few letters of their name and select when they appear. Step 3, tap the video camera icon. This will start your video. Then just wait for them to answer. Their face should appear when they pick up. Receiving a video call. To receive a video call, your phone will ring or vibrate like it normally does. You'll see their name and picture on the phone. Simply swipe and or tap to answer the call. Some phones require a swipe or a slide where you drag the icon across the screen, while others just need a tap. So just be ready for both. And some basic controls. To mute your microphone, tap the icon that looks like a little microphone to temporarily silence yourself. This is useful if there's noise in your room. To turn your camera on or off, tap the camera icon. This is useful if you need to walk away for a moment. To end the call, you'll simply hit the red phone icon, like you would if you were ending a normal call. Quick tips and troubleshooting. If you can't hear them or they can't hear you, check the volume buttons on your phone. If the microphone icon is crossed out, you're muted. Tap it to unmute. If your picture is blurry or they can't see you at all, make sure nothing is covering your camera lens. If the camera icon is crossed out, then your camera is off and no one can see you. Tap it to turn the camera back on. If your call drops, you might be in an area with poor reception or Wi-Fi signal. Try moving to a different spot. And remember, you can always call back when you get into a better location. Keeping it safe and private. Only answer calls from people you know. Scammers rarely use video calls, but this rule of thumb is still relevant. If you don't recognize the name or number, don't answer. Also, be mindful of your background. What can others see behind you? Just be aware. Try not to have a window directly behind you. It can cast a shadow on your face. Try to keep sensitive mail or documents out of view. Don't share personal information. Again, this rule applies to all calls. Never share passwords or bank details or sensitive information during a call or anytime online. Video calls are pretty secure. Most popular apps encrypt your calls, meaning only you and the person you're talking to can see or hear what's going on. But even though most apps are pretty safe, we should always be careful about who we're talking to and what information we share. And remember, practice makes perfect. The best way to learn is by doing. So feel free to ask a family member to help you make your first call and practice this week. So, video calling, a wonderful way to stay connected. Start simple, practice often, and don't hesitate to ask for help. Thank you all so much for joining us. Today, we've seen how video calling allows us to easily and instantly see and interact with those from afar. We hope you feel confident trying it, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at marketing@arvig.com. Thank you again, and happy video calling.